For example, your total bill is now, let's say, 6,500. They will say you purchase another thing of 700, and then you will get this coupon or this thing. So that is another practice.
So these are falling into trap.
No, they are cycling.
Yes.
They have our cycling and they are utilizing it for their profit maximization. That is very well explained in that documentary. It's a must watch. Please watch this documentary. To understand how corporates are making money.
And it has used very effective graphics also to show the
it's a beautiful documentary.
There is a concept that buy now, think later. So कहीं ना कहीं impulsive behavior.
EMIs, buy now, pay later.
Yes, ma'am. So basically it creates a mindset that they will buying something which is not needed for that particular period of time.
Right.
So you buy iPhone at a monthly installment of 3,400 per month. That's it.
Buy anything, sir.
And
You buy for an amount of 2,000 and you can convert it into EMI of 800.
Yes.
Like, it's so convenient. I don't deny this is going to give us, all of us, we are enjoying that convenience too. Right? So that has increased the consumerism amongst people. And there is no harm, I think so. Till the point this is not going to be unethical.
But
We can't say we are not availing the facility and having the comfort of getting things at our doorsteps. Zomato, Swiggy, are we not enjoying?
Yeah, but
Of course, I now cannot think of surviving without
Zomato and Blinkit, yeah.
It's going to be so much torture going for milk to Mother Dairy.
But it is making us lazy also.
No, we can invest ourselves to gym or yoga or some other thing. Might be reading something else which is more effective and which is much more like important for our lives. Quality life. Yahi to hai. Western countries we always say there is a quality life there. So what they are cutting on or cutting off, using the time in a better quality, in a qualitative manner, like more productive, more efficient, much more like enlightenment in terms of like you need to explore things. The world is so beautiful, so many things to see and refer to. Why to waste it on Mother Dairy?
So also there is a silver lining if we talk about economic perspective. It is generating employment.
Yes. So economists, currency flow. It's very important. Very true. So that's important too for the economy.
Actually, one day I was thinking, there was no Dwarka earlier, before 2000, I think, over 1990. Now you look at Dwarka. How many houses, how many employment opportunities, how many things have been created.
Same for Gulbarga.
Yeah,
It's almost urbanization happened to most of the village areas even. Consumerism actually could be seen in villages too. Now people are, this is the beauty of internet. This is the beauty of logistics and supply chain. The things are reaching to far remote places. And we can't deny that's a good thing for economy too. But then, is this the end point?
So can I add another point which is not
Sir, but a serious one.
Not
But let's not
a
on this
serious
topic.
one, but not
Because I'm
directly linked,
prepared, I wanted to come up with my
not
serious
directly
points.
linked with this. There is a
But
news.
let's not do serious discussion.
Yeah, it's a serious one.
Yes.
I read a news article today that the income tax up to 15 lakhs likely to be having more exemptions. The government is working on that. So that will also be.
Yeah, per capita income will increase.
So that's.
But sir, on the other side, there are two taxes which is bothering me. Recently, they have been imposed. One, popcorn with different flavors. You have to pay different GST. And the second one is very important. Even if you are selling your old car, you'll have to pay GST on that.
Yes.
So these two are bothering me a lot. And I think so. Whatever exemption they are proposing, that they have already compensated.
On your
Let me complete. Yeah.
75% of your attendance is, if your college attendance is 75% less than that, then you have to pay extra GST on that also.
College
Yeah.
came, I don't know, I have heard of
This
this.
is also common.
ये joke है या serious है? मैंने नहीं सुना है किसी से discuss
It is
Might be it's a
University
meme.
के लिए? No.
ये ऐसा आएगा नहीं बिकॉज इसका कुछ बेस नहीं लग रहा है मुझे. सो माइट भी एक जोक होगा या मीम्स होगा. हाँ मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता इस पे, क्योंकि इसमें रेवेन्यू किधर है? जो बेसिक टेक्निकलिटी सीएस, व्हाई डोंट यू से दिस? वेयर इज द इनकम? व्हाई शुड वी पे द टैक्स? या सो हो सकता है वो ऐसे ही जोकिंगली उन्होंने लिखा हो. द वे इट इज कमिंग लाइक पॉपकॉर्न, इट्स पैथेटिक. So other side of the story. Anybody else who's left? Suniti, you did not speak.
Yeah, it's not we only as a youngster, but my two kids are also fascinated towards this shopping one, and they sit and keep their shoes, their t-shirts, and not only that part, they are very happy with Zomato also. So every day they're ready with today we will eat KFC, then we will take something else, and then momos and all. So the list is ready, just you say yes and they will click it and order it. So it's not means nowadays I am keeping myself far from these things, because if I will do, they will also got attracted. So first of all I ask both of them, really are you eager to eat or not? So yeah mama, why not? If you will, this will be better one. So please think of and then come again for order. So this is all going on, is weekly twice or thrice this is going.
Is it bad or good?
Bad.
Why?
Mama बहुत डांटती है.
Health.
Health purpose and
No, but on Swiggy and Zomato, you're just not getting junk foods. You're also
Yeah,
getting
options
Movie
be-
Box, Sega.
But we
There are
cannot-
other
When kids are-
See, you can't deny on the concept. There are people. I have heard this. I've seen it in US. People, they don't have kitchens in their studio apartments. They are buying from outside, but that doesn't mean they are just eating the junk foods. They may be getting some healthy foods. Here also on Swiggy and Zomato, we may be getting the healthy foods. So I can't blame Swiggy and Zomato for the reason why are we not consuming healthy food. Are you getting my point? You're buying from outlet, Raja Sweets, then it's okay. Is it healthy? And if you're buying through Zomato, is it becoming junk food? So this is the thing. I do have a difference of opinion here, because I feel like that is for our comfort. Now whatever we feel we can get it at our doorstep, that's the biggest revolution happened. There are people who are not having that kind of logistic arrangement with them. Now every time they'll have to go to the market to get something, do you feel like they got the comfort? So let's see that part also. Of course, the thing that you're saying, impulsive buying is, we can't deny. Accessibility, easy approach, then buy today, pay tomorrow, all these things, these taxes are there, and it's really a recommendation for all of you. Please watch that documentary. It is so beautiful. I think so we should arrange a show time for our students too. There is a lot to learn from that documentary in terms of marketing strategy for profit maximization. Other side of the story, another documentary. Anybody else who is
Yes,
there?
not the person behind the lens. Should be not.
Oh yeah.
I was she is making another documentary.
So Himani and Shruti, these two are there.
As far as concerned about e-commerce related, I think according to me, in spite of customer accountability, lack of accountability from e-commerce platform is also the main reason for this. And also we need as I have constructed a model in cloud computing, we need extra more storage for this setup.
So you are motivating people to buy more? Extra storage, cloud storage. So more and more people will be going through in there to buy their stuff.
What model can construct?
So model fit could be better. You know,
Again,
bigger the sample size, better the model. Nice.
Ma'am, actually, e-commerce breeding ground for overconsumption and waste is not only related to all this, daily routine shopping limited to that. It's not a overconsumption part, because if you are talking about the electronic products or some other electronic gadgets also, they are not, we are not going to buy them on a regular basis, right? So we buy those, or you can say the consumer is buying those products impulsively, those who they can buy on a very cheap rate or a very low price.
I disagree. Nowadays, people are buying cars through online portals. That is the study saying, cars. Cars.
But regular na?
Every
Car,
6 months.
car
Every
is
6
like-
months?
I know a person
No, but
who-
car,
Different
buying
people.
a car can create impulse in terms of buying a different car that you did not think of, and you are overspending on them. It is not necessary that overspending or overconsumption can only be defined in terms of quantity. It can be in terms of cost also. High cost items. Sir said iPhone. Now it is so easily available. Otherwise, people they used to import
Standing
it
line.
unethically from outside. Now it is available ethically in the market, and then that too on EMI. So are we not overspending even if we are buying iPhone once in 4 years? This is another strategy like that has been shown there, that they are making it
They are
forcefully,
making it,
forceful
yes.
obsolescence. This is the psyche कि 5 साल में आपका iPhone तो खराब होना ही है.
होना ही है.
You know,
every
है
year
ना? इसकी लाइफ तो 4 साल है, इसके बाद तो ये खराब होना ही है.
Yes.
So वो जो आप कह रहे हो ना, I do agree to that. That वो एक frequency of buying, of course वो तो है ही. हम big basket पे जाते हैं and we buy just absurd things. कितने तरह का
Easy
spread
compatibility is also
spread
there.
of
Yeah,
different
yes.
flavors, and when you are going to buy like very small things, sir, utensils. I don't know. I have like 20 bottles. Hot and cold. I don't know. Every time I go, I buy a bottle. Okay, traveling के time पे ये उस समय पे traveling, ये traveling. So people are like now finicky t-shirts, low quality, trendy t-shirts. What trendy
Fast
apparels?
fashion they call it.
Fast fashion. You know, and the quality is compromised. Now you get a Puma t-shirt in 1100 rupees. With all discounts, might be it is coming around like 900 rupees. So I think so. These are all practices which have been followed by the corporates.
Yeah, for example, OnePlus has a curved screen. So that curved screen is not available in the market. Recently, I had this experience, so we had to get it from the company only. So once the phone screen is broken, it is broken. You have to buy a new one.
Yes.
So they are purposely using that curved screen.
iPhone, you
Yeah.
can't take out the battery. You can't take out the battery. So every time, if your iPhone is not working fine in terms of battery efficiency, you'll have to buy a new iPhone.
Yeah.
You can't change it. Sैमसंग वाला, नोकिया वाला सबसे बढ़िया था.
हाँ, तो
बैटरी भी मिलता था उसमें.
सब कुछ change हो जाता
हाँ, कोई
है.
कर नहीं रहा है. So all are these like marketing tactics.
Because the spare parts is not available, you have to buy a new
Yeah.
one.
New one.
Or
It's not
buy a new one.
available.
Yeah. So these are
नकली
there.
लगाओगे तो वो नहीं चलेगा.
Yeah.
Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Behind the lens.
Yes, sir. I too agree with this point that e-commerce leads to overconsumption and waste. At times, the things which we don't want, we also buy them because of the how they are presented to us. So I think that yes, overconsumption and waste happens because of e-commerce.
Okay. I don't agree.
Okay.
Conflicting opinion I do have.
Okay.
And again, I'm concluding it from my side as everybody has spoken. Anybody is having any other point? No? So let me conclude it. I'll again refer another documentary, very beautiful documentary. Many a times I refer it to most of you, and that is Minimalism. That's such a beautiful documentary. A person who was a very high-paid CEO could figure out, like he gave a concept. The concept was, throughout our life, we earn money. We try to make more and more money to have more and more luxurious life. And luxury can be defined in terms of materialistic items that is there in our possession. But when we reach to that point, all those materialistic items, they become immaterial for us. Do you agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever we did throughout the life, it is all in vain in terms of its utilization to us, actual utilization to us. And he gave the example that his mother, she was a single parent and they had a very struggling childhood. And when he became CEO, he shifted to Boston, New York, and mother was somewhere in Florida. And one fine morning, he got the news that mother is no more. He went back to his original one-bedroom house, and the kind of stuff that was there in that house, you know, in Western countries, disposing will also give you the cost. So it's not easy to dispose of things. And the kind of, the volume of items that was there in the house as well as in the garage, that has become so much like struggle for the person to dispose of and come back to his own place, that he got to realize that for whatever, like she invested her hard-earned money to have the possession of those items, but she never used those items in her life because that was just there because of her psyche. Do we do that? How many clothes, how many t-shirts or shirts or pants that are there in our cupboard that we haven't used for the last 3 years? How do we blame only e-commerce sites? How many pens do we have? How many stoles, jackets, shoes, books? Books we haven't read ever. Kindle books, 17,000 never read all those books. Neither I'm going to have the time and life to read all of them. Right? That called organizer, I do have and I'm using it. You know? But yes, uske bina bhi kaam chal sakta tha, but that has become convenient. But kind of, what else I should suggest? Perfumes. Just take a name in your personal toiletries. Take a name in your house, might be electronic gas. How many chargers you have in your house? How many chargers? Phone one, chargers still lying, kabhi zarurat pad jayegi. Nowadays I do have like mattresses with me. I did not dispose it of. So can we just blame e-commerce for overconsumption or for creating so much of waste? See around in the house, Mike can find out. And we are not using things for last 3 years. Utensils, appliances.
Because we are
Never used coffee making.
accumulation.
Yeah, filter coffee, normal coffee, espresso, सारा machine रखा है. Never used it. भगोने में बन रहा. So it's more of, we can't blame only to the corporates. We also have to be mindful in terms of our consumption pattern. And please, you must watch this documentary. It's beautiful. The Minimalism. The real life story. He sold off everything and he said, okay, अगर possession में मेरे को 60 साल तक earn करना है, to have the possession of everything which can give me the luxury, and if I reduce the definition of the luxury for myself, then I only have to work for 30-35 years. So I'll